Malas, date of the divorce is Malas 31st of January 2026. That is annexure P6.
And this 20 lakhs is all right. You're giving it, whatever, give some more amount.
Malas,
In order to seek further instructions, petitioner's counsel has sought a short adjournment. Since the petitioner intends to what is that criminal case number 6623 of 2021
yes, my lord.
shall remain state till the next date of hearing.
Wait.
Give a date sometime in August or so. Give a date. List on 17/7.
Counsel for the state is here, my lord.
Yesterday we have filed counter, it's not on record, my lord.
My lord, if I may so respectfully submit, I have a
Please have
copy
it
of that.
immediately
which
after-
I have already served.
Respondent has sought for time.
My lord, they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
already served me. If your lordship would see their counter,
Lord.
there is nothing to counter on facts because, my lord,
Lord.
all I'm asking is that there is a consent-based caution. My lord, we have been granted divorce. I'm ready to pay the last installment. There is nothing to counter on facts. They have already served me an advance copy. Your lordship may kindly have it.
You are asking for caution.
Yes, my lord.
Then you are appearing for
Straight.
state.
Wife is here. The parties are here, my lord.
I am appearing for.
There is already a divorce. There is a divorce.
All divorce already granted, my lords. That is on, my lords, annexure.
They want quashing.
Yes, my lord. Annexure.
Kindly have it immediately after.
Why?
Because it's a waste of time.
What does
Your
the
lordship,
it say?
Serious offences of sexual misconduct.
What serious offense? 354,
Yes, ma'am.
and there is no
498A.
there is no contemporaneity in the complaint.
it runs into 35 pages and only half.
No contemporaneity.
What is the date of the divorce?
Malas, date of the divorce is Malas 31st of January 2026. That is annexure P6 on page 142.
And the complaint is filed on
Malas, the FIR dates back to 8th
2021.
of 21, Malas.
21.
And Malas, the first incident that is recited date back to 2014. So there is essentially a delay of 7 years in lodging the
And
FIR
what's
itself.
the amount you have paid her?
Malas, I have already paid 13 lakhs. 7 lakhs is left. I have already brought the DD before your lordship. The payment scheme is on page number 136.
So 20 lakhs you have to pay
Yes,
her.
Malas.
What
Total
does
20
she
lakhs.
say? Who is your advocate?
Your Lordship,
What do you say?
she agreeing to the agreement.
Then?
And she has to receive another 7 lakhs.
Where is the DD?
Malas, I have the DD. I can just hand it over.
We'll have to
We have no
set aside the order.
42 dates.
Copy.
Good. What is your expression? From him?
But he is forcing you to withdraw.
No.
कोई force नहीं है.
No, now 20 lakhs he is paying.
Yes. So, Malas,
What is their age? No.
6
Age
and
of
9.
the children.
6 and 9 years.
6 years and
9 years.
now this the 20 lakhs is for what purpose?
Malas, it's for her maintenance. They have even in the mediation settlement agreement.
What
Malas,
does he do?
Malas, he is a shopkeeper, and even the money is being paid by the accused person. Malas, against whom 350 crore is there. That's the irony
What
of the
about
case.
the daughters?
Malas, your lordship, at the time it was.
What is the arrangement for the daughters?
Malas, it is a big amount, I would say, because for the reason, Malas, ultimately, this would, Malas, on the other side would agree, the wife. What happened was, Malas, it was going to settle with 10 to 12 lakh rupees. Then it was enhanced to 20 lakh rupees because of the daughters. And be that as it may, the children have the liberty to file maintenance petition. It is actually
Yeah,
well
you know
written.
how uncertain it is.
Malas, that
Why don't you increase
bow-
the amount for the children's sake?
Malas, it is.
See her expression.
Malas, I bow down.
Now the petitioner's children are being looked after, 2 girls, by the respondent.
Malas,
And this 20 lakhs is all right. You're giving it, whatever, give some more amount.
Maloj, the issue is that 20 lakh rupees when at the time of negotiation, this was
It's all
increased.
right. We'll close the matter.
Maloj, he earns 12,000 rupees per month, and Maloj would see all the DDs that are being paid.
Some
Your
more
lordship,
amount will say.
Maloj,
The names of the children you give.
Maloj, we had requested them to at least convert this last 2 DDs into FDRs in the name of children, and it can be encashed at the time when they're 18.
Now it
But they are not
is-
agreeable to that. I had
it is-
Maloj, I had tried to make it happen that this at least may be converted into FDRs.
let them give 20 lakh.
Where are you with your parents?
Parents.
Let
My
do
lord,
some more for the education.
Your
of
lordship,
the
I
girls.
does, my lord, I don't have the
School and-
finances.
School and education.
Daughters are going to school.
Where, which place? Which place? Which place are you
In Delhi.
Delhi,
Then,
Chadra.
my lord,
See,
the
give
only
some more amount for
only
the children.
difficulty, well, look, I bow down because they are my kids. I understand that. But the only difficulty is, even these DDs are not mine. I have borrowed money from
It's all
petitioners.
right,
But,
it's a one-time payment now.
my lord, all I can
Little
request,
once and
my
for
lord, all I can request is, my lord, I would even,
How
I would
much
my lord,
you'll-
convince
you-
the
Not,
petitioner to do
not
that.
to
But
her.
I know the
For
ground
the
reality.
children, how much more he is willing to pay? Give it to the children. Proceedings are stayed.
Most proceedings are not.
All right, we'll stay the proceedings. Let him give some amount. In the names of the children through mother guardian.
Malaj,
Let him
I'll
give-
try to talk to him about that, but I would, Malaj, very in all fairness state this,
Let
that
him,
Malaj,
let
this,
him ponder over it.
grateful.
Ponder over it.
His DD.
What is the next date before the trial?
Malaj, it's 17th of July, and Malaj, and
DD you can give.
Malaj, the DDs, Malaj, expires on, in July, only 20th July, so Lordship, may I-
Handed
Huh.
over to show his bona fides, let him
We'll
hand
say
over.
no coercive steps shall be taken against him in the
Malaj,
matter.
there are three
Proceedings
petitions.
be stayed.
All right.
Stay the proceedings.
Yes.
Let the
And let
DDs
him
be-
give that DD.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned counsel for the petitioner has handed over two demand drafts for a sum of rupees 7 lakhs.
3.5 lakhs each.
7 lakhs.
Within
No,
bracket
no.
3.5 lakhs each to learned counsel for the
Respondent.
second respondent, who has in turn handed them over to the second respondent, who has acknowledged receipt of the same in court. In order to bring about a settlement between the parties, we have suggested to the petitioner to make available certain amounts for the education of the girl children who are presently in the custody, who are presently aged 6 years and 9 years, and in the custody of the respondent mother. In order to seek further instructions, petitioner's counsel has sought a short adjournment. Since the petitioner intends to consider the suggestion put forth by this court, the further proceedings in what is that criminal case number 6623 of 2021
Yes, my lord.
shall remain state till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
Give a date sometime in August or so. Give a date. List on 17/7, or you want on 10/7, 10/8, sorry. See, bring some more. See to it
Manoj,
that
I'll-
he is able to procure some more
Malaj,
amount.
I'll
Yes.
take my best effort. Grateful.
See.
Great.